He'd get my vote.
Yeah, I'd vote for Bill Cook. I think he would. I think he would get things straightened out.
We get things cooking, that's for sure.
Maybe if we can get Dolly elected, he could be a running mate.
I've got your slogan.
He'd be a great running mate for Dolly.
Yeehaw.
What'd be great would be Bill Cook and Tom Killen running together. Can you imagine that?
Tom Killen's chief of staff.
Yeah, out there.
They've been killing it.
Yeah, I got you. All right, we got old What's His Face and Kari Nelson going to do one for you. Big old request for some Johnny and June. Kari, you're doing all kinds of duets today.
I love it when people request duets because then I don't have to request them and then it's not my fault.
But you having fun?
We asked Kari one time, why do you like duets so much? And she said,
Because they're double the fun. That's what I said.
double the fun.
It's true.
It's true, it's true.
She's never seen that, I guarantee you.
You ever seen Blazing Saddles, Kari?
No, no way. No way.
No.
They said you was hung, and they was right. Oh, no.
All right, by request. Listen to me. He got one night in a fever, hotter than a pepper strong. Waving something down, giant tongue. Ever since the fire went out, I'm going to Jackson. I'm gonna mess around. I'm going to Jackson. Look out, Jackson now. Listen, I like my hair. Besides, I'm going to snowball in Jackson. When I breathe into that city, people gonna stoop and bow. All those women, they'll probably beg me to teach them what they don't know how. Yeah, I'm going to Jackson. I'm losing my course. Oh no, going to Jackson. Oh no, I'm not gonna go. What are you gonna be doing? Kari Nelson, classing me up yet again. I've had enough of this man. I quit.